Hi, and welcome to Mold Monday with a Geek in Glasses. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to open a little piece of mail and see what's inside. So I ended up not having enough molds from my 1,000 mold purchase that I had to buy one online, and here it is. So I'm going to share my unboxing with you so you can see what kind of fun things I found online. These scissors are terrible. It's an owl spoon rest. So I'm gonna clean them up and we're gonna pour them today. I did the pour. It was very successful. It went really well, and I'm gonna leave it set for the 20 to 25 minutes. I'm doing the pour out and nothing is coming out. So I'm a little concerned about that, but I'm gonna let it sit overnight and see what happens. I'm opening the mold and it opens up very easily, but it doesn't want to release from the one side. So I used the air compressor to see if I could get it to release. It didn't release with the air gun, so I had to go back in and trim the posts where the pour spout is. But a quick trim and the spoon rest popped right out. All this owl needs is a little trim up on the back side so it sits flat and it's ready to be put in the kiln for bisque fire. Here it is after it's been fired. I can't wait to get it glazed, and I will show it to you as soon as it comes out of the kiln. Thanks for watching, and see you next week for another Mold Monday with a Geek in Glasses.